Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen paste. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of miso paste, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Don't forget fresh aromatics like 2 cloves of garlic, a 1-inch piece of ginger, and 2 green onions. Having a food processor or mortar and pestle will make the process much smoother. Next, let's prepare our aromatics. Start by finely mincing 2 cloves of fresh garlic and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Then, thinly slice 2 green onions, keeping the white and green parts separate for now. These fresh ingredients are vital for building a deep, complex flavor profile in your ramen paste, contributing a fragrant and pungent base. Now it's time to bring everything together. In your food processor, combine the 1/2 cup of miso, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and all your prepared garlic, ginger, and the white parts of the green onions. Blend these ingredients until you achieve a smooth, uniform paste. If it's too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water or dashi. Once your ramen paste is perfectly blended, transfer it to an airtight container. This homemade paste can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next ramen craving. To use, simply whisk 1 to 2 tablespoons of the paste into about 2 cups of hot broth for a rich and flavorful bowl of ramen. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.